Look what showed up. Do you like unboxing videos? Well, unfortunately, because I don't have a proper camera set up, you're not going to see the official unboxing. You see the box, you're going to see after I open it, and you'll just have to trust me that everything went the way I say it will go. And I don't know. There is a crap ton of tape on this. It did come from China. A lot of tape. Anyway, in the next scene, you should have what's inside. And the reveal. There was a lot of bubble wrap. But this is what I bought. Yep. It's a Gigabyte motherboard SP3. It's an EPYC motherboard. I'll probably type in the description the exact model number. But anyway, it's supposed to be an open item, whatever. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. Looks like it's in excellent condition. So I don't know what the deal is with that. They managed to get the CMOS battery overseas, which is good. Oh, there's a Gigabyte. There's the model number right there. Yep. So you can see what I bought. Yeah, it has these nifty little SAS headers here. Comes with a back plate, which is kind of important for cooling, and a laughable SATA connector. But, you know, nice touch. I did not expect this to come in. I don't think it was in the description. Anyway, so this is to house this. Yep, there it is. And to cool it, I bought this. This one was used. This one, sealed product. Now, if I want to have a gripe, I open this box. I'm the one who broke that seal, okay? Does it come with the damn torque wrench? Why? Why, AMD? Why do you not include the torque wrench? I don't know what the deal is with that. There's some BS special reason. It's not like you can't afford it, but whatever. So I bought a torque wrench. Because I don't trust myself with this. I probably could do it. I've seen at least one person do it, and no problems. And I do have the fitting for that. The bit for that. But I'm not going to attempt that. I'm going to use the right one. So I'm going to have to wait probably another week and a half, 2 weeks. Well, it depends on how fast they ship it to me. But it's got to go through customs because it too is coming from China. Anyway, doesn't really matter because Amazon in their brilliance has decided to ship my RAM kit in 4 separate shipments. Even though I ordered it all at the same time, put quantity 4 in the box. Oh, and the kicker, one of them was damaged in transit, so I have to get my refund and reorder it. So anyway, hopefully the next video will be of me actually installing this thing and everything that goes with it, and hopefully I get some sort of a camera mount or tripod so that you all could witness this. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.